Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of Discord. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Discord app and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about the application of Discord and you can update your app if you will find it in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.